That looks like poop.
Okay, we've got our little poop nuggets.
Ew. We're eating poop? Cheese. Stickers. Ooh. Cocoa corn puff. I think.
Ooh. It's nice.
Nothing strange.
Spicy tteokbokki flavor.
Oh. Oh, the cake. Oh my god. Cancer and reproductive harm.
That's crazy. Didn't it say on the front? Not bad, but pretty dry.
I don't like caramel. Even things are so strange.
That's good.
Honey butter.
Big. Where is that?
Little bit.
How is it?
I like it. I find right.
It tastes like minty almost.
Is it peach? Cute little heart. Just sugar.
Be good with like tea or milk.
Yeah, milk. No, this is not too sweet. I like it.
It's light.
Mayhem? It's not too sweet.
Chill.
Number one in Korea.
Cooked.
I love the texture.
It's like shortbread.
But better. Shrimp chips. Seafood. That's good. Cheers.
I love shrimp.
That's my favorite. What's your favorite?
I think my favorite is spicy one.
We are
And
so
then
opposite.
I also really liked these.
Oh my god, we're so
I like
opposite.
sweet and salty, or sweet and spicy usually.
Thanks for watching. Bye.